Here are 2 things that you can do right now to get more sales in your store. Traffic but no sales. Apply only these 2 strategies and convert traffic into sales. All millionaires dropshippers always use this strategy for generating unlimited sales. If you don't apply this strategy, you don't generate any sales. I get my first success in dropshipping using this strategy in 2022. So in this video, I am going to tell about these 2 strategies. So don't skip this video. Number 1 is social proof. This can come in the form of likes or followers on your social media pages or reviews, especially photo reviews. Number 2 is scarcity. This can come in the form of a limited time discount. Use these strategies and convert traffic into sales and make big money.